Welcome to Hindi Snooker, and today I am just talking about a very innovative gadget that is called Str8Aim. It's been made in New Zealand by an innovative person, Vincent Tate, and let me demonstrate this, that how this Str8Aim will improve your cueing and will develop your muscle memory so you can enhance your game on a very fast pace. This is a must-have gadget. Str8Aim, buy one for your snooker center, your snooker academy, and for personal use as well. Get yours now. Numbers are there. Buy yours. Improve your cue action with Str8Aim.